How to set up and use OpenClaw. All right, guys, all you need to do now here, after reading all of this information here, is to simply go with either yes or go with either no. So just to point out a few security risks, you run the risk of being hacked and some other things if your OpenClaw system gets into the wrong hands or it is hacked and performs the wrong skills or task. Your OpenClaw runs natively on your computer, so you have to be careful. As they say here, if you're not comfortable with security hardening and access control, don't run OpenClaw. Ask someone experienced to help before enabling tools or exposing it to the internet, basically. All right, so I understand this is personal by default, shared multi-user. Yes, yes, yes. Just click on enter. I'll just go with quick start and hit enter. And then where we have config handling, use existing values or update your values. Let's just go with existing values. And then select the model. So if you want to use Xiaomi, Copilot, Quen, or any of these options, I'll just go with X. Let's go with this option. So when you find your API key, just go ahead and click on enter here and then enter your API key. So we could go ahead and do that and I'll paste the key. All right, guys. So for X, that's the XAI. You just need to log on to console.x.ai. And then from the dashboard, head over to API keys. Click on create API key, which you'd find at the top right corner here. Just click on create API key and then give it a name. And then you could restrict access. So restrict usage of this to specific models or endpoints and then rate limits. So let's just go ahead and give it a name. I'll just call it OpenClaw. Let's call it OpenClaw and then go ahead and click on create API key. So it's going to go ahead and create an API key, which I would then copy and minimize and then paste it up here with the control key and V and then hit enter. All right, so now it has different models, which goes up to the latest version. So I'll just scroll through and let's just go with Grok 3 and hit enter. And then you now need to select a channel that you'd want to use. Let's say skip for now. And then Brave Search, I guess we'll skip for now. And configure skills now. Let's go with no. And skip for now. All right, so you have to use space to select and enter. All right, so we've skipped a few of them. And then it's going to install the gateway service. That's for OpenClaw. As you can see here, it's beginning the installation for the gateway service using XAI, that's Grok. All you need to do now is just run OpenClaw on your browser. There would be a website, which is this, alongside a token that you can use to operate it. So let's go ahead and highlight this out here. Just simply use the control key and C to copy this and then open up your browser, any browser of your choice. So I'll be going with the browser I have here. Let's open a new tab, use the control key V and then hit enter and boom, welcome to your locally hosted OpenClaw.